Class 10. Already we have started exercise 26.1 for statistics. Our discussion point is mean. Okay. Now, sum number 1 done also in the previous video. Now, next sum number 2. What is given to us? Find the average members. Find average members of 50 families by method of assumed mean. Here method mentioned, that means we have to follow assumed mean method. What is given? Number of members, that is given, and number of families, this is also given to us. Next two columns, these two columns more we have to draw, that is D. Since it is assumed mean, so D means deviation we require. So for D draw one column, and for FD draw another column. Next now number of members 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6. There are six number number of members. Numbers are six. So we have to choose any number which is very nearest to the mid position. So from here we can, of these two numbers, that is 2 3, and from below also we can, of these two numbers 6 and 7. So remaining tentative mid numbers are 4 and 5. So let us choose 4 as A, assumed number. Let us choose the assumed number as A. So 4 is equal to A taken. Now B is equal to X minus A. That means 2 minus 4, which gives us minus 2. Okay, 3 minus 4, which gives us minus 4. 4 minus 4, it will be 0. 5 minus 4, it will be 1. 6 minus 4, it will be 2. 7 minus 4, it will be 3. Got it? Next, FD. FD means this is F, number of families. So number of families means this will be F, frequency. Okay. Now this is F. Now find FD. FD means 6 into minus 2. So it's coming minus 12. 8 into minus 1, it is again minus 8. 14 into 0, which gives us 0. 15 into 1, which gives us again 15. 4 into 2, that is 8. And 3 into 3, that is 9. Now let us add this, and we have to add sigma F also. That means we have to find, and already we know there are 50 families, so automatically it will be 50. Add this all, then we will get 50. And now we have to find sigma FD. Sigma FD, plus 8 minus 8 will be cancelled. 15 minus 12, that is 3, and 9 plus 3, that is 12. So it's coming only 12. Okay. Now what is D bar? D bar equals to sigma FD by sigma F. FD means what? 12. Sigma F means 50. So it's coming 12 by 50. 12 by 50, 2 6 are 12, 2 25. 50, so it's coming 6 by 25. Make it like this. Therefore X bar is equal to, what's the formula? We know X bar equals to A plus D bar. A means what? We have chosen A as 4, so write 4 plus 6 by 25. So now just do the calculation part. 4 25 4s are 100. It's coming 100 plus 6, so it's coming 106 by 25. 106 by 25, it gives us 4.24. This is the approximate answer. 4.24 approximately. This is the answer. Okay. Next, sum number 3. See the board. If there is any doubt, I think everything is clear to you. Let me rub the board. Next, sum number 3. This sum number 2 is done by assumed mean method. Okay. Now sum number 3, what is given? Sum number 3, variable and frequency both given, and arithmetic mean is given here. Arithmetic mean is given here. So when variables are there, variables means the values of x, all the values. x1, x2, x3, all these are variables. Why these are variables? Because different values are there. It varies. That is why these are the variables, not the constant. No constant values. So these are variables. So variable, frequency, and variable, that is x, frequency, that is f, and fx we have to find. Okay, what are the variables given? 10, 15, a, 25, 35. Frequency is also given. For 10, 3, for 15 it is again a, for a it is 25, for 25 it's 7, and for 35 it's 5. Okay, let us multiply, that is we have to find weight it means, that is 10 into 3, that is 30, 15 into a, 15a, 25 into a, 25a, 25 into 7, 175, and 35 into 5, that is again 175. Okay, so what we have to find out? We have to find the value of a, where arithmetic mean given, it's already given to us. Okay, now sigma f, add all this, 25 plus 5, 30, 30 plus 3, 33 plus 7, 40. So it's coming 40 plus a. And sigma fx is equal to 175 plus 175 plus 30. It gives us 380 plus 25a plus 15a. It gives us 40a. Okay. Now what is given to us? Now according to the problem, sigma fx by sigma f, that is equals to 20.6. It is given to us. Now sigma fx means this one. So just put the value 380 plus 40a whole divided by 40 plus a, which is equal to 20.6. Just do the cross multiplication. Then what we will get? 380 plus 40a, 40 into 20.6 plus 20.6 into a. 40 into 20.6 is gives us 824 plus 20.6 into a, 20.6a. Okay. Therefore, 40a minus 20.6a. 40a minus 20.6a and 824 minus 380. Okay, 824 minus 380, it gives us 444. It will be 444, and 40a minus 20.6, it's coming 19.4. Okay, from here we can find the value of a. That is 444 by 19.4. 444 by 19.4, it gives us 22.88. This is also approximate value. Okay, so this is the answer. We have to find the value of a. Got it? Next, sum number 5. Again we have to rub the board for sum number 5. Let me rub the board. Sum number 5, this is class is there, that means group is there, group frequency, group distribution, that type of sum. Okay, and sum number 5, what is, we have to find the number of mangoes given, and 50 to 52 and number of boxes also given. Let me write all this in tabular form. Then it will be easier for us to understand. Okay. Okay. And class is there already. I have said this is the group distribution table. Then we need to find class mark. So for class mark, then number of boxes means frequencies, and then fx. Okay, this is class. What are the classes? Number of mangoes given in class, that is 50 to 52, and here also is given class mark. We have to find this, not given. Class mark always we write in terms of x. Number of boxes given, that is frequency, and here fx. Okay. What are the class? 50 to 52. Next. 52 to 54. Next. 54 to 56. Next. 56 to 58. Next. 58 to 60. Okay. And class, we have to find number of boxes. What are the frequencies given? First class frequency 6. Second class frequency 14. Next 16. Next 9. Next 5. Okay. So we have to find class mark. What did I say? How to find the class mark? Upper limit plus lower limit divided by 2. So 50 plus 52 means 102 divided by 2. 102 divided by 2, it gives us 51. Okay. Now 51, already I have said here class length or class size is given, that 52 minus 50, that is 2. 54 minus 52, that is also 2. When class size given, so we will to add plus 2 like this. 51 plus 50 plus 2, we will get 53. Next 55. Next 57. Next 59. Okay. And if we add 52 plus 54 by 2, we will automatically get 53. No need to do the calculation. This is the easiest method. So now find fx. Fx means 51 into 6. 306. 53 into 14. 742. 55 into 16. 880. 57 into 9. 513. 59 into 5. 295. 295. Now sigma f. How to find sigma f? Just add all these. So you'll get sigma f. And next sigma fx. Add all these. What we will get? 2736. Got it? Add all this. Now how to find mean? We have to find mean number of mangoes. Mean number of mangoes. Okay. That is equals to x bar. Okay. Which is equals to sigma fx means 2736 divided by sigma f, that is 50. Let's do this calculation part. We will get 54.72 approximately. This is also sum number 5. Okay, done sum number 5 thing, understood everybody. Okay, next coming with the next video.